Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix your mic on PlayStation 5 in Fortnite. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find all of the games and apps installed on your device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, and all of the settings. Go ahead and search for sound. And then once you find it, right here you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio for TV speaker or for headphones, and volume. So go ahead and click on microphone. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find input device, adjust microphone level, microphone status when logged in, and microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. Go ahead and click on input device and make sure you choose your microphone. As you can see guys, my microphone right now is the microphone on the controller, and if you have another external microphone, make sure you click right here. Then you're gonna find it here and make sure you click on it to select it. Once you do that, go ahead and click on adjust microphone level, click on microphone level for your current mic, and then go ahead and adjust the level from here. And once you finish, just leave the settings and all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.